The emergency alert system.
Here we
This
go.
station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency.
Today we are talking about Medicare Part C.
This is a weekly test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency. This is a weekly test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency.
Keeping her relationship private, hiding in a truck as they drive off. But when she goes missing, it exposes everything.
But the voice, it didn't say, this concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
No, it hasn't said it yet, has it?
That's weird.
To see her alive, the only person. What happened? On the next True Crime News. Become a True Crime News insider. Visit truecrimenews.com/safety-deals to buy exclusive products that can help safeguard your loved ones.
Lancaster and Platte, Nebraska, at 12:41 a.m.
Protect yourself with Sightful, a 360-degree HD camera with two-way audio and infrared night vision, powered by any bulb outlet.
Okay,
Tracks
is
motion,
that it?
records, and gives you real-time
I think.
access via your smartphone.
Yep,
Okay,
It's the perfect
alright, go.
solution to
another one.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Advanced X compression system. The X-Back evenly distributes the support across a broader surface area of your back.
Here we go.
It's like part 2, huh?
Part 2.
Yeah. The last time they didn't say this concludes this test. But now it just pops up and there it is, huh?
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Yeah.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
There you go.
Our copper-infused fabric, made with the most advanced materials.
That was 66 and number 67.
Wow, oh, that feels
And
great.
67 and 68 and 69.
Mom's still watching TV in the living room? Yes or no?
Yes?
Okay.
Usually when I have long triathlons, there's pain. With the belt, there's absolutely no pain. For me, it was like, okay, is this really happening? I really haven't felt anything like this before.
Another issued at 1:20 a.m. and in effect until 1:35 a.m.
For only 2 payments of $29.99 or call 1-800-518-9808. Order right now and your shipping is free. This is
Okay.
Okay.
That's it.